right, back at my sister's house. Today is Sunday the 6th, October 6th, I do believe. So what I'm about to do is take all of these out. I bought some new buckets. Even though I have two of these buckets at home, I couldn't lift them up, so I just bought new ones. So yeah, they have a lot of soil in them. I'm gonna find a way to get them over here. My son is in at home, so anyways, you guys, I'm about to do all of these. Hopefully, you know, let me see if I got any peppers I can pick. No. Flowers. I might pull the flowers too. These ones, they're not looking so great. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pull these too. So let me move this over so that I know I have to do it. And then once I'm done doing this, I think I'm gonna cut my sister's grass because it's a jungle back here, like always. What in the heck? What is this? Anyways, you guys, let me get started. I forgot to mention that I brought I don't have a lot. I didn't realize I didn't have a lot, but I did buy some more worm castings. So I bought that, and I just brought my plant food as well, because I'm about to amend the soil from the tomato plants. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about what I have learned sort of this season, I guess. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna start off with my cucumbers. So I've learned that when it comes to cucumbers, you are supposed to basically start seeds every week, simply because cucumber plants do not last long. I did not know that. I wish I would have known. Then I would have had more to harvest throughout the season, but yep, I didn't. Another thing I've learned is, hey, Evita, you are in the South, so you have to water your plants probably more than once a day. Sometimes I would have to water twice a day. But again, my garden is over at my sister's house. I would tell her to water them, but sometimes she would forget. But it is what it is. Another thing I realized since I'm in the South is that I need what is it called? A shade cloth? I think that's what it's called. If I'm incorrect, let me know in the comments down below. But I need one of those, like a shade cloth, to go over my plants because of the scorching hot sun, which was, of course, drying up my plants, but also just killing them. It was killing a lot of my plants. So those are some things that I've learned. I'm trying to think of something else that I've learned that I need to do. Oh yeah, another thing is I have to check for bugs and like diseases and things like that. I won't lie, I was not checking for bugs or diseases that often. I even in a video I had even missed some eggs. Like I flipped over the leaf and did not even see them. It's so weird. Anyways, I'm just cleaning up all of these tomato plants, just about to harvest them. I don't know if I should harvest them or if I should just toss them up in the back with like regular dying things up there. If you guys can see above that wall back there, that's where I was tossing things. Now, while I was doing this, I realized that, hey, Evita, you're not going to be able to amend the bottom of this. So I had to take some of the soil out so that I could amend it correctly. I do need to go pick up some more perlite, some vermiculite, because I'm all out now. As you guys see, that bag is empty and this one is almost empty. I just need to go to the store and get some more. I still have a lot of plant food, so I am good on that. I just picked up the worm castings. I should have got the bigger bag, but it is what it is. I also still need to start my plants. I still have not started my seeds. I'm sorry. I need to start my seeds. I still have not started my seeds. I am up in the air about I'm still up in the air about either going to pick them up like transfers. Are they called transfers? No, transplants from either the garden nursery or wherever. I'm not 100% sure though. I am burning up and the sun isn't really out. I don't know what the temperature is. But anyways, I thought 2 big buckets were going to be enough, but as you see, they're not. So I amended the soil just a little bit when I actually put them in, like, I don't know if we're getting raised beds or if we're gonna get or use, I don't know if I want to use, I mean, I guess I can use the grow bags for the fall, right? It'll be, yeah, I'm using my phone. I don't know where to look. I won't lie. I'm looking at the camera right here, and then I'm looking at my screen. So I don't know where to look. So if my eyes are all over the place, sorry. My camera
My regular camera is broke. And I also had to go put my sleeves on because these bugs back here. There go one right here trying to get into me. Get out of here. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh, that I have to get either get more buckets, or I think it'll be okay to use the grow bags in the fall for my fall garden. Don't you guys think? Because it won't be as hot. I mean, it still be hot in the south, but it doesn't get cold until like November. If we're in October right now, so I'm not sure if it's too late to start seeds. That's because I wasn't going to do it. I was going to wait until the fall. I mean, the spring. But I said, suck it up, Buttercup, and get to planting your fall garden. Sorry, guys, it's an airplane. I don't know if y'all can hear it or it'll be too loud or what. But anyways, yeah, so I didn't buy enough buckets. I legit thought 2 would be enough, but apparently it's not. But I'm still going to pull up the tomato plants. I'm going to just have to leave the soil in these grow bags until I can get another bucket. And like I said, when I actually go to plant my stuff, I am going to use, I'm going to amend it again. I'm just doing this just to let it set. Because I'm going to start my seeds. Again, y'all, I don't know if it's too late to start seeds or not. This what I'm gonna do. My nursery, garden nursery, they're closed on the weekend, and I can only go on. Yeah, I keep forgetting that the sun is back this way. Well, I'm trying to be back that way, but I can only go on Saturday. They're closed on Sunday, and then during the week they close at 6, and I wouldn't make it in time because I get off at 5:30. Get off of work at 5:30. Anyways, y'all, I'm burning up. I am burning up. I'm about to just go ahead and pull these tomato plants. I'm gonna try to cut her grass. I don't know. I'm hot. I'm gonna try to cut her grass though, because it's a jungle back here, and get rid of some stuff because she don't know how to get rid of stuff. Me, I be like, throw it away, donate it. I ain't got time for that. Anyways, y'all, I'm just rambling. Let me hurry up and do these other tomato plants.
So what I'm doing right here is just clipping the bottom of the tomato stem. I found that this was a whole lot easier versus what I was doing before, which was just pulling it out and then dumping the remaining soil into the bucket. I'm just clipping this, and then I am going to take the tomato cages off as well. Some of the tomato cages I bought this year were so flimsy. I don't know no better, y'all. I bought them from Tractor Supply. They were about maybe $2 to $4. I honestly cannot remember, but they were not that expensive. They were awful, so awful. Some of them were like breaking, and I'm like, what the heck? When I tried to garden many years ago, I had purchased some from Lowe's, and they were pretty good. I'm assuming that the galvanized ones are going to be better than, I don't know what the other ones were. I thought they were all the same. So yeah, that was a mistake on my end as well. Was buying, I didn't buy good quality stuff, I'm assuming. Again, I didn't know, so I just grabbed what was there. I had also picked some off of Facebook Market. Someone sold them for like $2, and she had some really good ones. They looked perfect, and they were galvanized. I want to say they were they're like extremely tall ones. So those were good. But the ones I got from Tractor Supply were not so good. Let me know in the comments down below what type of tomato cages you use, or like where did you get them from? Because I need to start purchasing stuff for the springtime. I know that's like so far away, but I want to buy stuff little by little because I am on a budget. If you guys are wondering, I do have a budget channel. You're probably not wondering, but I do have a budget channel. You guys can go check that out. I'll leave it down below. But anyways, I am finished cleaning up all of this. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and gather all of the tomato cages and just stack them nice and neat so that they'll be ready for the next season. I don't think I'll need any of them for the fall garden. I don't think. What I plan to get is kale, lettuce, carrots, radishes. Not 100% sure if I can do onions and beets. I still don't know what I want to do. Oh no, I do. Yeah, I talk so much. I am also going to do cauliflower and broccoli. I am hoping. So, what any of the stuff I just named need a cage? I'm just stacking them, so it doesn't really like. It's not like I can't pull them back out and just put them over whatever plant needs it. But I wasn't 100% sure if I was actually going to need some for the fall garden. Let me know what you guys are going to be planting for your fall garden. Maybe I can get some ideas. Maybe I'll change what I plan on getting or not getting, but planting the fall season. I just don't know what to do. I won't lie, I was discouraged. I was just going to say, nope, I'm not going to do it for the fall. I'm going to just go back doing it for the spring. And then I realized, Evita, like you are not going to be wanting to do it in the spring again. So what I told myself is I'm gonna do it in the fall, so I still have that momentum, so I still have that drive to actually do it because I this summer, y'all, this summer just did me dirty, just did me so dirty. But like I said earlier, I am going to invest in a shade cloth amongst other things just to remember, hey, you need to take care of this garden. It's not going to take care of itself. That's what someone told me a couple of months ago. Did you think the garden was going to take care of itself? I was hoping. Say no, I'm joking, you guys.
Alright, so I just finished cutting her grass. Not that good, y'all, but it's hot. So this is what the spot that we had all the what is it, the grow bags, all the plants right here. This is where the pool used to be, so that's why it's like bare. And then I just moved the rest of the plants that's left right here. This is gonna be all the soil. I still gotta buy a good composter. So let me know if you guys just recommend something that I can use to compost. But yeah, I am done and I am hot. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so very much for joining me today. Until next time, bye.